Okay, we're going to move on to lesson 2, operations with radical expressions. And this is on page 622 if you want to follow along. We're going to look at examples 1 and 2 in this video and 3 and 4 in the next one. Combining like radicals. Combining like terms is something we've done before, correct? Like this example that I have in the green box. X plus 2x. Can I combine those? Absolutely, because they have the same variable part. This one doesn't have a coefficient, but what number can I put there? I can put a 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3x. Essentially, our radicals are the same way. Our radicals are going to act like our variable parts. As long as our radicals or radicants are the same, then we can add like terms. This one doesn't have a coefficient in front of it. What do you think I can put there? I can put a 1. So I have 1 times the square root of 3 plus 2 more square roots of 3. That gives me 3 square roots of 3. If I have negative 5 times the square root of 5 minus 4 times the square root of 5, so I borrowed 3 square roots of 5, and then I borrowed 4 more square roots of 5, I'm at negative 7 square root of 5. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. We're going to move on, though, to then example 2, where we might need to simplify before we can combine like radicals. Let's look at 3 times the square root of 20 plus 2 times the square root of 5. Well, the square root of 20 and the square root of 5 are not like terms. But the square root of 20 is not a prime number. So I could look at the factors of 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. Ooh, 4 and 5 contains a perfect square. So now it becomes 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 5 plus 2 times the square root of 5. 4 is a perfect square. That means I can pull out a 2. And 3 times 2 is 6 times the square root of 5, still under there, plus 2 times the square root of 5. 6 plus 2 is 8 times the square root of 5. That would then be my final answer. How about 3 times the square root of 3 minus 2 times the square root of 27? Okay, 3 is prime, so 3 times the square root of 3 is going to stay the same. Minus 2. 27. 9 times 3. Okay? 3 times the square root of 3 minus, when I pull out 9, it becomes a 3. 2 times 3 is 6 times the square root of 3. 3 square roots of 3 minus 6 square roots of 3 becomes negative 3 square roots of 3. Okay? Simplifying to find like radicals and combining like radicals.